chase multiple sclerosis.
I think some days are just tough. I think some days are just tougher than the rest of the days, right? And those some days you just don't know, where you are heading to. You don't know what's happening with your life. Um, and you get all those kind of strange feelings, right? Like you're just sitting there and you're thinking like, why are we even struggling, like, and you just feel like, oh, everything will cease to exist if you stop existing, right? I mean, I don't know if it's making sense, but sometimes those mental health issue just comes in, and you really don't know, like, where to focus and what to do and what not to do, right? But then, like, even I go through it, right? Quite a lot of times. I mean, even though I try to keep myself motivated, and I even give hope and confidence to a lot of you that it's all okay and all. But then sometimes I feel that it's actually not okay. I mean, like, and then I feel like, how do I motivate myself? I mean, I just try to gather courage and tell myself, like, that's fine, it's life, and this will go on. But it's just, I don't know what to say, there's just some bad days, I guess. I'm feeling good talking to all of you and sharing it, that it is okay, I guess, to feel a little vulnerable at times, because not all days are same, right? Not all days are the happy days. Some days are meant to be sad, I guess. That's the way you realize that, okay, what is good and what is not. And I think the importance is to just hang in there. I mean, I don't know till how long, but till the time we exist, I guess, because there's no other option, right? It's that's what I feel, I mean, like, uh I don't know, how to put it in words, but every day feels really heavy, It's like stretches, right? And we really don't know how to handle it. Sometimes or some days feels really, really good, and I mean, I feel very energetic and all. And some days are really very slow and low, and I feel pathetic. But I think that's how we have to navigate life, right? I don't know if you guys go through the same kind of feelings, or is it just me? I don't know. I mean, you can share, your feelings, emotions, and like the way I do, right? And I'm sure it will help, because when I talk to you over the phone, even though I'm talking alone, it does help me because I went out, right? And it helps because, and I, as I said, that I live alone, and there's nobody to even vent out with. But then I wonder, even if there would be people around, I don't think anyone would understand. If tomorrow I'm living with my family, with my loved ones, I don't think I can share all of my, feelings and they would understand, right? Because they won't. I don't think anyone would understand. I feel, those of you who are listening to me would understand, because you might be going through the same thing that I'm going through right now, right? But someone who's not going through this phase will not understand what I'm talking, right? It might just sound crazy. It might just feel like, oh, go and see a psychiatrist, which sometimes I think I should. In fact, I have consulted not a psychiatrist, but a psychologist, a therapist, and it does help. And I still feel that I should continue to talk to someone who would understand, but I doubt if anyone would. Hence, I talk to myself and try to channelize my thoughts, and how to go about doing things. And sometimes I don't have an answer, right? Because obviously I don't have an answer to each and everything, but I just let life unfold and see where it takes me. So that's what I wanted to talk about, and let out my feelings, because this uh it's like a burden, and I just wanted to take it off my heart and share it with somebody or people who would understand what I'm talking about or what I really mean, because I don't have anyone to talk to be honest. And even though if I would have, they wouldn't understand. I'm hoping you guys would understand what I'm saying or what I'm feeling, right? So do comment if any one of you have come across these kind of feelings, or you think that it is normal to be vulnerable at times, because I feel it's really normal to be vulnerable at times. It's okay, right? We don't have to be strong all the time. We can be, what we are. And I think that's what I am today, or that's what I'm feeling right now, and I'm okay with it. And that's what it should be. And one should be okay with how they are feeling, right? I'm okay with what I'm feeling right now. Yeah, so I think I'm feeling much more relieved sharing this side of me with you. Anyways, take care and be good, and comment on your thoughts, your feelings, how you feeling. Is it okay? Is it not okay? And let's discuss maybe. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Life's a ride, we're on this chase. Multiple sclerosis can't erase strength.